courthouse. It's doing the same thing, guys, echoing off the hills in Ohio like last time.
Oh, that's pretty. It's like a rainfall.
Oh, that's gay.
I am recording a video here, guys, for YouTube.
Yeah, you can zoom in. Zoom. No, you put it on video.
I don't care if you guys talk, let's just not talk about how gay we are.
Yeah, you got like power lines and trees in the way.
You can't really see them even.
Yeah, I see it.
That was sweet.
They might not have did the boat thing.
We wouldn't have seen it anyway. It would have landed down there, docked down there at the courthouse.
We're not that far from the courthouse, Ash.
Yeah, but it would have docked down there. We